Okay, so Audacity looks slightly different in this version because I'm recording it on my Mac, but the main core features are still the same. You've got the buttons, you've got the taskbar, just don't forget that I'm on a Mac. So, I'm going to press record. As you press record, this bar appears, and you'll notice when sound starts appearing or when I start talking with it, because these bars just suddenly jump into life. 11 seconds worth of me clicking my fingers. No, honestly, that's what it is. If you want to change the volume of a certain track, it's this area here, this minus and this plus just to the left hand side. So if you feel that your recording is too quiet, you can press these buttons to make it louder. Now I'm going to put it all the way to the max. Wouldn't suggest if you're wearing headphones you do it, because it does get very loud, even if all you're doing is clicking your fingers. Let's put that back down. My volume is quite good because I was sat directly in front of the microphone, but you can lower it as well. So if we put music on later, we can change it to be a bit quieter. Now this is track 1, you can minimize it so that you can see more things underneath, but I'm going to leave it maximized so I can see where I start talking. If I want to change the recording or the whole recording, not just one track, I can do it with the little microphone, the little volume sound, and I can change the volume that my microphone records at as well. Now, if I highlight, as I would do in any other program, my soundtrack, I can change anything to do with what I've already recorded. So I can add an echo. My voice can change in that sample of track because I've hit echo. I'm hoping I've remembered to put an echo in when I edit this voiceover. Let's see if I have. Now it can take a little bit of time to apply some of these things, especially if your track is longer. Now if you take a look, I've just applied it to an 11-second track. Haven't done it to anything that's a minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes long. Now, there are other ones. Pitch is quite a good one to take a look at, and so is changing the speed and tempo. Let's go with speed. Let's take a look at speed. Now, at the moment, I can up the percentage or down the percentage using this slider, or change the value here. I don't really want to describe what this does to the sound effect and what the sound does to the voice. I'm instead going to show you. So if I up the pitch, my voice goes from this one
to this one, and it doesn't matter if I keep talking, it still changes.
If I lower the speed,
even though I'm speaking normally, it now sounds like this.
So it depends on the actual, effect that you're going for. If you are trying to emphasize, you might want to change the pitch, and you might want to change, the echo. Have a play, see what works for you.